Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning how to use Vlookup. The Vlookup function stands for vertical lookup. Let's say we have a list of products and their prices. You want to find the price of a specific item. Click into the cell where you want the result. For example, I want to find wireless mouse's unit price. Here we type equals Vlookup open parentheses and it says lookup value. So our lookup value this one, it's A14 comma. Next argument wants to know the table array. This is the table that we are searching against. Now this table over here, then enter comma. Now it wants to know what's the column index number. The unit price in this column it's 5. Next enter comma, and lastly, we need to specify whether we want an approximate match or an exact match. Now in this table I want to find wireless mouse's unit price exactly as it's written here. In which case that means that I want an exact match or false. Then close the parentheses and hit enter. Boom, Excel finds it instantly. Vlookup only searches to the right, so if your data is to the left of your lookup column, it won't work. In those cases, use index match or the newer XLOOKUP, which I'll cover in another video. And that's how you use Vlookup in Excel, simple, powerful, and super handy. Subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.